Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Thank you so much for stopping by. I do apologize for the last video as things got a little dicey in my personal life and I had to kind of cut it. I lost my composure and I apologize, but life happens and life is way more important than making video. But this is where we're currently at with the truck. As you see here, there is a lot of black sand on top of my blacktop here. We've got this big compressor here that they are using. They unfortunately had to go to a different day. They're gonna have to come back today, which is what I'm waiting for. You can see here, this is what I did. And it was nice. He was impressed with what I accomplished on this, but there's so much pitting. There's so much damage to this frame that the rust is so deep in there that he had to spend so much time on just this one area that he has to come back a second day. Now, unfortunately, if you guys can't tell, it's really windy out, kind of gloomy this morning. It rained last night. I covered up the truck, but of course that's not going to be able to stop bare metal from rusting. So luckily today is a Kano sponsored video, and buy these glasses. You can see it's going to get very serious, and let's talk about that. So we're going to go ahead and get rid of all this surface rust without doing any type of work, hard work with this truck. Ooh, you can see here, look at that, kind of went through there. That's not a big deal, just a little spot. But we're going to be using ExRust from Kano, and this is a very, very serious product, you guys. You need to be wearing gloves and you need to be wearing glasses when you are working with a product like this. Now, this product is a 3-to-1 product, but I'm only going to go ahead and put it directly onto the frame because I want to take care of this as fast as possible, because the sandblaster is going to be here probably in about an hour, and I want to make sure that this surface is re-prepped back to what it was like before he even started this. So this mixture is a 3-to-1 ratio for chemical versus water. I'm going to actually just apply it directly to the frame with a 1-to-0 ratio technically, no water at all, because he's going to be coming here in about an hour, and I want to make sure that this frame is back to normal like it was when he left. I'm just going to show you this little bit here so you can see this magic work. Obviously, you can already see it working. I'm gonna take you up closer. You can kind of see it bubbling right now, you guys, and we're gonna go ahead and take a rag on it and just wipe it off. Take another dry rag and then just wipe it off, which really there shouldn't be too much to wipe off. It's that beautiful. Let me show you another spot. Like I said, we're just gonna pour it directly on. I'm gonna try and do a lot better to not let it drip directly on the ground. And I do want to say, I actually completely forgot. This is a 3-to-1 mixture, and it's actually already pre-mixed. It's not pre-mixed, but I mixed it myself and kind of swapped jugs around. So my apologies. I know I said that I was going direct with the chemical, but this is already a 3-to-1 mixture. So keep that in mind. It's doing this great with that 3-to-1 mixture, and you can't complain about it. By the way, this stuff smells terrible. As you see here, this product 100% speaks for itself. I've got a few more areas to touch up, as you can see in the video here, but we're gonna go ahead and touch up these areas. Like I said, this video is sponsored by Kano Laboratories. This product that we are using in this video is ExRust. Very important that you wear your gloves, you wear your glasses when you're doing a project like this. If you're working indoors with this type of product, please, absolutely 1000% wear a respirator, as this chemical is very strong and very potent. While I'm out here outside with the breeze and everything, it's not something that has to be worried about, as I'm not breathing in those chemicals because they're just get blown away by the wind right away. Another thing that I will be doing, as it is already diluted, but I will be taking the hose to the floor of my driveway here and just running it through the chemical that is on the ground and diluting it even more, so that way it's not going to harm anything of the environment around me as well. So I'll see you guys in a little bit.